Grandma's 75th birthday is only 2 days away.
I completely forgot about the date during my exams.
We need to find a gift that is truly special.
This store has so many shelves. Where do we start?
Let's look for something classic, like a beautiful silk scarf.
Grandma has at least 20 scarves in her wooden wardrobe.
You are right. She needs something more unique this year.
How about a high-quality teapot for her evening herbal tea?
She broke her favorite one last month, so that is smart. Look at this porcelain teapot with tiny, hand-painted blue flowers.
It is elegant, but the handle looks a bit too small.
I don't want her to drop it while it's hot. Let's keep exploring the back section of the shop.
These scented candles smell like a forest after the rain.
They are nice, but a candle disappears after a few weeks.
We want a gift that lasts for a very long time.
Maybe a framed photograph of the whole family would work.
We don't have a recent picture where everyone is smiling.
Our last family photo has the dog jumping on Dad's head.
That was funny, but maybe not right for a formal gift.
What if we find a beautiful gardening set for her roses?
She spends every morning in the garden, so she might love it.
These tools have silver handles and very soft leather gloves.
The price tag on this set is extremely high, Sophie.
We can share the cost if we combine our pocket money.
Even together, we might need a cheaper alternative for today.
Let's check the hobby section near the glass window.
There are some interesting painting kits for beginners over there.
Grandma mentioned she wanted to try watercolors last summer.
This could be the perfect start for her new artistic journey.
Sophie, look at this ridiculous hat with the giant feathers.
You look like a character from an old adventure movie.
I think I should wear this to the birthday party.
Grandma would laugh until she cried if she saw you.
Put this sparkly crown on. You are the English teacher queen.
I prefer my simple hairpins to a heavy plastic crown.
We are getting distracted from our very important mission.
Focus, Leo. We still haven't picked the final item.
These wind chimes make a very peaceful melody in the breeze.
They are lovely, but they might be too loud at night.
What about a soft wool blanket for the winter evenings?
That is a very cozy and thoughtful idea for her.
This one is purple, which is her favorite color of all.
Feel the fabric. It is incredibly soft and very warm.
It feels like touching a very fluffy summer cloud.
Check the label to see if it is pure wool.
Yes, it says 100% organic merino wool.
This is a strong candidate for the best gift today.
Wait, look at these decorative pillows with cat patterns.
Grandma loves her tabby cat, so these are perfect companions.
We could get the blanket in one small cat pillow.
That would be a wonderful relaxation set for her armchair.
I am starting to feel very confident about our choices.
Let's see if there's a card that matches the set.
This card has a picture of a garden and a cake.
It is a bit too simple. Let's find something more poetic.
How about the one with the golden tree and the birds?
Strong roots and beautiful branches. That is perfect for her.
I will write a message about her being our favorite teacher.
She taught us both how to be kind and patient.
Leo, come here and look at this leather-bound journal.
It looks like an ancient book from a hidden library.
The pages are handmade and have a vintage cream color.
What would she do with a blank journal like this?
She could write down all her famous cooking recipes for us.
Her secret apple pie recipe is legendary in this town.
If she writes it down, the secret stays in the family.
That is actually a gift for us as much as for her.
It is a way to preserve her stories and her wisdom.
I like the golden lock on the side of the cover.
It keeps the family secrets safe from curious neighbors.
Is this journal within our budget after the wool blanket?
It is on sale because it is the last one in stock.
Luck is definitely on our side this afternoon, Sophie.
Let's compare the journal with the watercolor painting kit.
The journal feels more personal and very timeless to me.
I agree. She can use it every single day for years.
We should buy a nice fountain pen to go with it.
A pen with dark blue ink would be a classic choice.
I found a pen that has a tiny engraved rose on it.
That matches her garden hobby perfectly, Leo.
We are becoming professional gift hunters very quickly.
It is because we're thinking about what she truly loves.
That is the most important rule of giving a good gift.
Let's take the blanket, the journal, and the rose pen.
Grandma is going to be the happiest person at the party.
I can already imagine her surprised face when she opens it.
She will probably bake us a giant cake to say thank you.
That is a very nice bonus for our hard work today.
Let's head to the checkout counter before the shop closes.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
Okay, I have $20 and some small silver coins.
I have $50 that I saved from my extra lessons.
That gives us $70 in total for the whole gift.
The wool blanket costs $35 after the discount.
The leather journal is $15 because of the sale.
The fountain pen is $10, which is quite fair.
That adds up to $60 for the 3 main items.
We still have $10 left for the wrapping paper.
And we need some colorful ribbon to make it look pretty.
We should buy some nice tissue paper for the inside, too.
Gold tissue paper would look great with the purple blanket.
You have a very good eye for color combinations, Leo.
I learned that from watching you paint your classroom posters.
I am glad those posters were useful for something else.
Wait, the card costs $4. I almost forgot that.
That leaves us with $6 for the rest of the supplies.
Look, there's a basket with ribbon scraps for $2.
Those scraps are long enough to make a beautiful big bow.
We are staying perfectly within our budget for this mission.
It is a relief to not spend every last cent we have.
Maybe we can buy a small chocolate bar for ourselves later?
Let's finish the gift first, then we can talk about snacks.
Shopping for other people is more exhausting than I thought.
It requires a lot of thinking and a lot of walking.
But the result is going to be worth all the effort.
The cashier's ready for us. Let's go to the front.
I'll carry the heavy blanket. You take the fragile pen.
Good plan. We don't want anything to break on the way.
I'm excited to see the final package all put together.
It is going to look like a treasure from a fairy tale. Let's use the large kitchen table to wrap everything.
I will bring the sharp scissors and the clear tape.
The purple blanket goes at the bottom of the box.
I am placing the gold tissue paper over the soft wool.
Now we put the leather journal right in the middle.
The fountain pen looks very elegant next to the book.
We should add a few dried lavender flowers for the scent.
I have some in my hobby box from last summer's trip.
That will make the box smell like Grandma's favorite garden.
I am struggling with the tape. It keeps sticking to my thumb.
Let me help you. Hold the corner of the paper down.
This shiny blue paper is a bit difficult to fold neatly.
Take your time. The edges need to be very sharp.
I am trying my best to make it look professional.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be sincere.
Now it is time for the big blue ribbon bow on top.
Tie a double knot first so it stays very secure.
My fingers are too big for these tiny ribbon loops.
Use your pinky finger to hold the center of the knot.
Hey, I did it! The bow looks like a giant butterfly.
It looks wonderful, Leo. You are a natural at this.
Now we just need to sign the birthday card together.
To our wonderful Grandma, with all our love and respect.
I will add a small drawing of a cat at the bottom.
That is a very sweet touch that she will appreciate.
The gift is finally ready for the big celebration tomorrow.
I'm going to hide it in the top of my closet.
Why hide it? Is she coming over to visit us tonight?
She is bringing over some cookies in an hour, remember?
Oh, right. We must be very quiet about our big secret.
I can hear her car pulling into the driveway now.
Quick, hide the leftover wrapping paper under the sofa.
I put the gift box safely away in the dark closet.
Does my face look like I am hiding a giant secret?
Just try to look normal and talk about your schoolwork.
That is easy. I always look a bit tired from school.
She is knocking on the door with a bag of sweets.
Hello, Grandma. Your cookies smell absolutely fantastic as always.
Come in and have some tea with us, dear Grandma.
I will help you with your heavy coat and your scarf.
We are so happy to see you on this lovely evening.
I am not thinking about the purple blanket at all, I promise.
Leo, you are being a bit too suspicious with your words.
I mean, I'm just happy to talk about the weather today.
Grandma is looking at us with a very curious smile.
She probably knows we are planning something for her birthday.
She loves surprises, so she won't ask any direct questions.
I can't wait for her to see the rose pen and the journal.
Only 24 more hours until the big party begins.
We did a great job as a team today, didn't we?
We are the best gift-buying duo in the whole family.
It was fun to spend the afternoon at the shop with you.
I agree, it is much better than shopping alone.
Tomorrow is going to be a day to remember forever.
Let's enjoy these cookies and prepare for the celebration.
Grandma's 75th year is going to start perfectly.
With a soft blanket and a book of future memories.
And a very funny grandson in a feathered hat, maybe.
No, Leo, please leave the feathered hat at the store.
Okay, the beautiful gift is more than enough.